Welcome to Netcruzer RC. All right, the TLR 22. I just finished my 3 qualifying runs. We're going to go out for the mains right now. I'm actually BQ, so I just missed the A. I'm now top of the B. We'll go out, race this. I geared up. I went up to a 31 tooth pinion, which puts me up to a 5.6 FDR. I think that's a little bit over geared, but because we're racing in minus 10 degrees Celsius in the winter, it's okay. I don't even have a fan on, and it doesn't come off too hot. Tires wise though, I'm still running terrible tires. These are not even the right offset rear rims, but we're getting around okay. We'll see how I do. Alright, just running up the driver's stand now.
Followed by Joel, Carter, Trevor, Ken, and Keith.
But did it look cool?
BQ. I like being on the side, but whatever. I'll sit over here.
Triple! Triple!
Go ahead, do a lap, John, just so you can have him check it on that. Alright, everybody check in. John all the way to the front. Driver's ready. Marshall's ready. Everyone on the horn, less than 5. Here we go, let's keep it clean. Oh, John touches on the first lap. Just making sure that inside was pegged down. Love it. Got a little chilly. Got a little slippery. Gonna take a little bit of patience with these 2-wheel drive buggies. We got Carter coming all up in Joel's mark. John makes a mistake, Joel's gonna go by, Carter's gonna go by, and here we go, we got 1, 2, 3. Carter sniffing inside, gets into the back of Joel. Patience, Carter, it's a virtue. You got 4.5 minutes to go, buddy. Joel is gonna find a place to park himself by himself. There we go. Carter, that time goes a little sideways. Carter kicks it in there. John lays up at the end of the straightaway. Carter's super fast in that last portion of the track. Because we all know he is not afraid to pull the trigger. And looking inside, I'm scared, John. That was a little horn. John put his shorts. Carter went through. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 through the S's. And we got Ken, Trevor, and Keith. Oh, the big pull from John. He's looking inside on Carter. But he pulls back, and Carter parks himself, and marshals himself. Awesome stuff. 1, 2, 3. Joel with the beauty line. He looks at the inside, tries to give John a little horn down, like not falling for it twice. Joel parks himself, does a nice donut. Only going to lose a couple seconds. He says he's pretty slippery out there. He goes all the way around. Carter goes inside. Here comes Sean home right down the hill to Marshall. John's got a lead. Carter just made a huge mistake. It's all on John now just to keep that thing down the center of the track, nice and smooth. Let these guys try and charge cars and make some more time up on them, and hopefully park each other. That's what John's strategy is right now. Carter's strategy is to go fast enough to scare John into another mistake when he sees him coming. Joel's just going to try and keep her down the middle. Stay balanced. Halfway, drivers. Halfway, Carter's out. John makes a huge mistake on this beautiful front table that does not have any kickers on it at all. Just a bunch of dongs. John through the S's, Carter in the S's, and he helps himself, remarshals himself. Seems to be a popular theme right there. Joel is the smoothest line of the 3 of them. Let's check the gap as they come across the line. It was 3.7 seconds last lap. It is 2.6. 2.6. No kicker. Trevor making up ground though. Trevor's having a nice clean run. He goes around Joel as he does not hit the kicker that was not there. I'm gonna go on TRC, see if I can find a setup that's called Bumpy Tabletop. I have not seen that one yet, but I didn't look for it yet either. So we got John, oh my goodness, upside down. Travis, he was making up all kinds of ground with Joel. They were going back and forth. Leader heading into the double. Watch out, Carter, there's a car flip. Thank you, Keith, for letting them by. John over the big hump in the back, coming around. I strongly advise you to go wheels on the ground. All right, what do I know? Here we go, 1 minute to go, 1 minute to go. The gap was 5.5 seconds, 5.5. Joel all alone in third now. Leader on the back straight, white. Is it burgundy? Red, white and red. 28 seconds to go, John, 28 seconds to go. You milked this lap a little bit. And the white flag will be yellow. White flag is yellow. You get off to the side, huh? There is no coming back. Just suck into the fight monster. Leader down the back straightaway, up over the hill. Go find a lighter to put your tires on. You're going to the A, son. Going to the A. Time has expired. John Kennedy with your wind going up. Carter upside down. Joel turning on the straightaway.
All right. Thanks. All right, hold on to that. So, bump up to the A. What's that heat? Who's sucking up all the heat? What are you doing?
Just getting some heat in these gloves. I took my boots off earlier, put some heat in those.
Did you? Nice.
Oh, it helped.
I do know exactly
I
what
don't know if this is doing anything, but I was just out there for 5 minutes and I'm gonna go again, so something. I wonder if I could just rotisserie it.
Especially the battery.
Hey, main drivers.
Hey, buddy. Welcome to the club.
Actually, yeah, this is the first time I've been in the A.
Is it?
Yes.
Nice. Welcome to the show.
Third week of two-wheel.
Buy a two-wheel drive and get to join the Cool Kids Club.
Oh, I might not have enough battery to finish this.
How do you know if everyone's checked in?
They'll all be the same color.
Green, little dots? What's all the other colors mean? Alright, line them up on the straightaway. Jordan, Billy, John, Sean, Kevin, Mike, John. Bump up. TLR. Need another Marshall at the end of the straightaway.
That's as much as I can break.
Start on the hill and get a
Volunteer
run down.
for the pits,
It's easier because otherwise, if you're starting at the bottom, like it's super greasy.
Okay.
I did
Yeah,
a
just
donut
leave me
last
out
week.
there. Okay. Okay.
Move on and then you go down.
I'll stay up there. That's fine. Yeah.
Just as good. Yeah, that's what I said. At least you won't do a donut down the straightaway like I've done 2 weeks in a row.
Donuts.
Donut.
Okay. Right, that's good. Marshall's ready. Racer's ready.
Just turn on ludicrous.
Less than 5. Pretty clean start for everybody. Hope we got hung up on the pipe. Green went from big smile out. Yeah, I think we can go.
I tried to make it real.
Yeah, looks good.
There we go.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah,
There you go. There's
I
fun.
know you feel like you had that one. Okay, leader is the kid, Jordan Miles. And Jonathan Daniel. Oh, John can't get to the third place.
Nope.
DQ sometimes really gives you good starts in the A, I find.
Oh, sorry.
Set and bang through. Okay, Jordan, John, Billy, Mike, Sean, Kevin. John. Okay, Jordan and John are gonna put a good lead up ahead of Billy. So much radio on your way? Yeah. Alright, first place coming over the tabletop. The kicker. Second place. Kicker. Billy. There's no kicker there now. Oh, Kevin Tyler up in the fifth spot. Fourth spot. Kevin, Mike in the fifth. Sean. Sixth. And John with the seventh. 3 minutes to go. 1, 2, 3 seem to have the same gap between each other. A couple seconds each. Fastest lap is Billy Sutton so far over 26.5. Jordan got 26.7, 27.4 for Jonathan, 27.6 for Kevin. Mike got a 29.1. Sean 27.3. John got 28.2. Looks like our closest foul is going to be second place as Billy just lands on the rear bumper of Jonathan as he corrects himself. Nice. Oh, Jonathan leaves a big hole open and Billy slips it in there. He likes to slip it in there. Down the straightaway, let's see. Used old motor, factory polished 17.5. That was pretty fast. That was impressive. Second and third over the tabletop. Oh, first place, messed up a little bit. Oh, Billy just ramming the rear bumper on the guy. Oh!
I didn't even look up, Mike.
Oopsie daisy. Oh, shout out Mac and sorry, I apologize on his behalf. Poor Breen got Keebler. Oh, yeah, it was all your fault. I didn't see it, but Billy got by Jonathan. Good job. 1, 2, 3, still very close. George, Billy, John, Kevin, Sean, Mike, and John. Woo-hoo. Fourth and fifth having a fun battle. Mike's still there. Jonathan's trying some wider lines here to stay with Billy. Hasn't gotten away from you yet, so still a chance. Less than a minute to go.
Oi!
Big battle of fourth and fifth there. Kevin and Sean. I think Mike is starting to creep up on these guys. Keep battling and Mike will be right there. Bump up John is still there. You still see Keebler in front of you. He's got a chance there. Wow. 40 seconds to go.
Time to fall apart. Yep. Yeah!
Now we got a position change. Whoops. Oh, Keebler's coming. Laying it down.
Keep fighting, boys. Keep fighting. Come on.
Good job. There you go. Nice. That was nice. Nice. Better line than Green had, huh? You're going to get him. Oh. Fourth and fifth. That's wheel. Bang, bang. Slip in there, Mike. Slip in there. Inside. Pull it there. Keep going, everybody. Keep going.
Oh,
Nobody's
Jesus.
done yet. Nobody's done yet. Oh, my God.
Oh, no.
Keep going, everybody. Nobody's done. Nobody's done.
Yeah, we're done, Breen.
Oh, we're done now.
He did.
George, Billy, Jonathan, Sean, Kevin, Mike, and Jonathan.
One more lap.
All right, well, that was a fun A-main race. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you want to subscribe, want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.